Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, not necessarily because it went down, but more so where it ended up stopping going down. And it's really pretty much wiped away some solid action from last week. And to set up the context here, this move here obviously got really nasty. And then right here, very, very strong move. I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say that. And then from that point, what had occurred was, it's not like it continued to skyrocket upwards or anything like that, but at least the price established this set of lows right here, meaning that the bears tried several times to push to the downside, and the bears failed right there. The bears failed again right there. The bears failed once again. And then unfortunately today, the bears did not fall, and the price violated to the downside. And then at that point, and this is just basic technical analysis here, when supports are broken, you would expect them to act as resistance. So at that point, you would say, all right, well, the price is broken down below 1380. Is this going to act as a resistance, or maybe this was a faulty breakdown? And then you can see on the bounce back upwards, check that out. You just can't make this stuff up. 1380 now acting as resistance. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying 1380 can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying that essentially what has occurred after today's price movement was that the price is basically right back to where it was. Now, is it exactly? No. Technically speaking, it was down there. But you get what I'm saying from just a general sense of things. The price has essentially returned right back to where it was after a very nice move upwards. And that's just not the sign of any sort of true power, right? Price movements with genuine strength are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward. And that's now all been, put aside given that the price is violated below that 1380 mark. But 1380 is now the near term and key area of resistance. If the price continues on down, next key overall area of support going to be right down here around $13.30. But yeah, definitely a rough way to close the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.